AiM High, it's a Geisinger Career Pathways program. We have about 125 kids from 12 different school districts joining us on campus at GMC. They get to learn about all kinds of different careers at Geisinger. Clinical careers like doctors, nurses, advanced practitioners. They also get to learn about careers that we call non-clinical, so EVS, which is our environmental services team, food and nutrition. We try to really have a broad range of careers that happen at Geisinger.
In my school, we do a medical pathway, and I'm in the medical pathway, so we got the opportunity to come, and I knew that I wanted to do it. I'm really torn right now between being a nurse and staying in sports because I really love sports, and I'd like to be an athletic trainer too. This is my favorite part. We got to dress up and learn about the surgical suturing and all that stuff.
I just wanted to explore what it's like in the healthcare field. My mom was an orthopedic surgeon, so I got to see behind the scenes a little bit of that, and I want to help people too. We got to scrub in. We went to radiology, EVS as well, and we got to learn about the infection control. We got to do a VR game. It's really great, just to see all the fields, maybe different careers that I want to try out in the future.
We're showing them the different job opportunities that we have throughout the OR and what the OR is about, how we treat our patients. We have a lot of people that make up the team and the care. For people to leave this room with the experience of oh wow, look at all these different job opportunities that we have.
Healthcare is important in every community. We're looking for the best and the brightest. We want them to know what the opportunities are at Geisinger.